Today I'm going to do a demonstration to find out if there's aluminum in this material. This is CDA 614 is the name of it. And the instructions call for solution number 22 and solution number 34. First step is clean the metal. And I like to use an abrasive, like a plastic abrasive, and just take off any kind of dirt or oxides. Next, get out a piece of 0100 test paper. And put 1 drop of solution number 34. Next, we do the electrospot process, and I'm using, as you notice, I'm using a copper probe because that's what the manual calls for. I'm going to go for 10 seconds. It says 15 in the manual, but an estimate is fine. Okay, that's about 10 seconds. Next, I add a drop of solution number 22. As you can see, it made a very dark spot, but this doesn't mean anything yet. What we're looking for is a fluorescent yellow color. And that fluorescent yellow color should be there, but you need to use one of these. This is a black light bulb. And you could buy this from really any scientific supply house. I'm going to shine this light on, and you could see that colorful spot. And I don't know, Mark, if you could make out the yellow. What I'm going to do is turn off one of the lights, and I think it may even pop better. Let me turn this off. Okay, so now it's a little darker, but I could definitely see like an aura of a yellowish, a glowing yellow color. You may have to trust me on this, but it is there. Let me back it out. Okay. But if I turn the light off, the black light off, you really don't see much, just a stain. And I'll turn the light back on again. But anyway, this was a positive test for aluminum. Thank you for watching.